Welcome to the Santa Clara Valley Water District's Quality and Environmental Policy Contractor Awareness Training. This training will consist of 25 slides and take approximately 25 minutes. The Santa Clara Valley Water District maintains a quality and environmental management system to help meet the ends and executive limitation governance policies established by the district's board of directors, meet customer requirements, provide for active, uniform, and systematic deployment of key processes, and to establish a culture of continual improvement to implement its vision of fiscal responsibility and accountability. The district also strives for a net positive impact on the environment while implementing the vision of fiscal responsibility and accountability, including compliance with legal and other requirements related to its environmental processes. Quality, environmental stewardship, and organizational excellence are the responsibility of each individual in the organization. District leadership supports quality by providing appropriate resources, transparent processes, a supportive work environment, and development opportunities for its workforce. Each individual is expected to fully engage in deploying the mission and use resources in a manner that maximizes effectiveness and contributes to environmental stewardship. Contractor personnel responsibilities. The district has included measures in our contract specifications for all construction projects to address significant aspects of the district's quality and environmental management system. It is the contractor's responsibility, including all subcontractors and personnel, to comply with the project specifications. Construction projects have the potential to cause a significant environmental impact. Contractors shall be competent to implement the requirements of the construction contract specifications. What are the potential environmental impacts related to construction projects? The following list is a few of the potential impacts: water pollution, air pollution, noise pollution, hazardous material pollution, generation of solid waste, and wildlife impacts. The goals of this training module is as follows. First, familiarize contractor personnel with elements of the construction contract specifications related to environmental aspects. Second, notify contractor personnel of their responsibilities related to the contract specifications. And thirdly, emphasize that the requirements of the contract specifications take precedence over this training. What are the reasons why environmental measures are included in construction contracts? Environmental measures are included in the construction contract specifications for a variety of reasons, including compliance with codes or laws, compliance with project permits, compliance with the requirements of CEQA or the California Environmental Quality Act. Additionally, measures may be included to satisfy the district's goal of a net positive impact on the environment. Now let us review a number of specific specifications from district construction projects. The following specification sections include measures to address environmental aspects. This training includes only an overview of these sections. The actual contract specifications for the specific construction project shall govern the contractor's work. Article 17.02, Hours of Work. The work shall be performed during the hours of work as stated in this article. The hours of work are established for a variety of reasons, including minimizing impact on local community, local municipal ordinances, and to address environmental impacts as included in the SCVWD document. Article 17.03.01 Noise. The work shall not exceed the noise requirements as stated in this article. The noise level restrictions are established for a variety of reasons, including minimizing impact on local community, local municipal ordinances, or to address environmental impacts as included in the SCVWD document. District construction inspection staff will take occasional sound readings with handheld noise level meter to ensure compliance with this provision. Article 17.05 Spillage and Dust, and Article 5.10 Dust Control. Dust from construction sites is a significant public nuisance and results in air and water pollution. The contractor is responsible for reducing dust damage and nuisance to persons and property. The contractor shall prevent spillage on public streets and sidewalks during operations. Any spillage shall be removed immediately. All work areas shall be kept sufficiently moist to avoid dust. Article 17.07 Truck traffic and hauling. Truck traffic can be a significant public nuisance. Truck traffic and haul routes shall be in compliance with local permits and ordinances. Article 17.07.01 Trucks arriving early, trucks idling, and queuing. Trucks arriving early and queuing. Truck traffic can be a significant public nuisance. The district actively seeks to avoid or minimize unnecessary disturbance of surrounding neighborhoods from construction traffic. Contractor shall not allow trucks to arrive on the project site outside of the times stated in this article. Additionally, the contractor shall not allow queuing or lining up of truck traffic on residential streets. Truck idling. Vehicle and truck idling is a public nuisance. It can be a significant contribution to air pollution and is also regulated by law. The contractor shall not allow vehicle and trucks to idle except for the following reasons: when vehicle must remain motionless due to traffic control or traffic conditions, when vehicle must remain motionless due to adverse weather conditions or mechanical difficulties, or when vehicle must remain motionless at the site entrances for security checks. Article 17.08 Parking. Vehicle and truck parking can be a significant public nuisance. The district actively seeks to avoid or minimize unnecessary disturbance of surrounding neighborhoods from construction traffic. Contractor vehicle and truck parking shall be in compliance with local permits and ordinances. Contractor vehicle and truck parking shall be within the project site or as indicated on the project drawings, and contractor personnel shall enter the project site as soon as they arrive to the site. Article 18.01.01 Stormwater Pollution Prevention Plan, or SWEPE. The details related to stormwater pollution prevention are specific to the individual construction site. All construction employees must be familiar with their own specific SWEPE responsibilities. Article 18.03 Best Management Practices Action Plan. The best management practices related to stormwater pollution prevention are specific to the individual construction site. All construction employees must be familiar with their own specific SCVWD responsibilities and related best management practices. Article 18.04 Water Pollution. The contractor shall immediately remedy any public nuisance related to water quality or pollution arising from the work operations. Article 18.05 Regulated Material Management. Asbestos. Asbestos may exist at the construction site in soils as naturally occurring asbestos or in building materials such as vinyl flooring, fireproofing, or other types of building materials. Article 18.05 Continued. Lead. Lead may be present at the construction site in paints, piping, or other equipment. Article 18.06.02 Construction and Demolition Waste. Construction and demolition waste management requirements may consist of one of the following. A. The contract may require recycling or salvaging a specified percentage of total construction and demolition waste generated by the project. B. The project may require reporting only of percentages of total construction and demolition waste generated by the project that are disposed and recycled or salvaged. Or C. The project may require both recycling and salvaging of a percentage of certain specified construction and demolition materials and require reporting only of percentages of other specified construction and demolition waste generated that are disposed and recycled or salvaged. The contractor shall determine which of these will be required of the contractor based on an evaluation of the project. The intent is to promote and encourage recycling or salvaging of construction and demolition waste and thereby reduce the amount of waste material that is disposed of in landfills. Article 18.06.03 Post-consumer recycled content requirements. Post-consumer recycled content material is an end product that has completed its life cycle as a consumer item and would otherwise have been disposed of as a solid waste. The district may require use of a minimum percentage of post-consumer recycled material. The contractor shall refer to the specific contract specifications for the project to determine if minimum use of post-consumer recycled products is required. Article 18.07 Migratory birds. Work operations for this project are subject to the Migratory Bird Treaty Act and subject to regulations of the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, which generally prohibits any disturbance or damage to nesting birds or their nests. The migratory bird nesting season in the project area is generally considered to be from February 1st through August 31st. The following are general guidelines to be followed by contractor personnel when an active bird nest is encountered on the project site. Stop any activities that may harm the nest. Contact the district representative immediately. Only an approved biologist should approach the nest, and only if necessary. The contractor shall inform all of their employees of the presence of an active nest and take steps to avoid disturbing it. Until inspected by the district, a 20-foot radius protected buffer zone shall be established around the nest of any non-raptor ground nesting bird, and a 50-foot radius protective buffer zone around nests established in shrubs, trees, on structures, on equipment, etc., except for raptor nests. Furthermore, the protective buffer zone shall be 250 feet for hawks, owls, including burrowing owls, herons, and egrets. Article 18.08 Other Wildlife and Fish Species. Other sensitive wildlife or fish species may be present at the construction project site. If this is the case, additional project-specific training will be required for contractor personnel. This training on environmental awareness issues includes only an overview of project specification measures that address environmental impacts. The actual contract specifications for the specific project shall govern the contractor's work.